love talking on the phone. But hey, I just can't wait to have you home.
Good morning and thank you for joining us in Mount Cole State Forest. We're actually supposed to be in the High Country, but Zeus has a broken nail, and after a vet visit the other day we decided that 2 nights camping probably wasn't a great idea at the moment. So here we are for a day trip, cooking up a storm and just enjoying the beautiful weather on a mountaintop. It's located in Western Victoria near the town of Beaufort. It was formed over 390 million years ago. Local Indigenous Australians, the Birip-no-Balag people, call it Birip-Birip, which means wild. The forest covers just over 12,000 hectares. This is also where you'll find the really popular Biripno Walk. This is a 20.6 kilometre grade 4 hike that runs across Mount Cole State Forest and Mount Boangor State Park.
I love talking on the phone. But hey, I just can't wait to have you home. Oh, I'm alright for now, but I need you around.
We've got to fill up our olive oil, but anyway, I'll put in what I've got, which isn't much. We'll see how that goes. Leak. A fair amount of garlic, because I really like garlic. Just water. the rusty old lid on and cook that for about 10 minutes.
We both know that this is right. So hey,
Get it, Scoob, quick, get it, good boy. Oops. Spinach.
You need a bigger pot.
I forgot a container to take the rest home, so we might just have to leave it in the pot. What do you reckon?
Yeah. Just means I'll have to work harder at cleaning the pot.
That's your job.
Yeah.
Last, but by no means least, is the cheese. And I have 4 cheeses here. I don't even know what they are, but it sounded good when I picked it up from the supermarket. And we'll give that a go.
we both know that this is right.
Alrighty, let's have a look. Oh my goodness. Yummo.
It's beautiful. It's really good.
Hey, I love talking on the phone. But hey, I just can't wait to have you home. Oh, I'm alright for now, but I need you around.
Well, that's it from us. We've had a great day up in the Mount Cole State Forest. Time now to pack up, clean up, get the dogs in the back of the car, and we'll go for a bit of a cruise around the park on the way home. Obviously, if anything interesting happens, we'll bring you along for the ride. If not, we're off in a couple of weeks up to the little desert for a hip camp, so that should be fun. As always, if you like the video and you want to see some more, hit the like, hit the subscribe button, do all that funky sort of YouTube stuff, and we'll see you on the next one.
Hey, I love talking on the phone.
Hey, buddy.
But hey, I just can't